Hi, welcome back. It's been a week or two. Well, probably not 2 weeks, but today is, I think it's almost been 10 days. Um, anyway, well, the reason I didn't get on is because there were some things I was looking into, but I got busy. And also, the market was just doing its thing. It was kind of going sideways, kind of regaining some speed and some traction. And I was just like, okay, good. I held on to my coins. I made it through that enormous dip, and I'm kind of back to where we were, probably mid late December. Maybe not quite that high, but we're getting there. Look at Bitcoin right now, $11,292. That's up from $5,700 a week and a half ago. So if you're new to crypto, that's so fantastic, and I hope you bought in when it was really low. I've been in it since about late October, and it was kind of these price. Well, I got in around 5,050, yeah, right around there, 5,000, 7,500. So I don't have a lot of coins. I'm not good at giving professional advice because I don't know what the hell I'm doing. I'm just navigating this space. I am not a trader. And I'm not very computer savvy. So anyway, if you're checking out my videos, I'm glad you're here. I'm just recording my experience for a year in crypto. So today what I'm going to talk about. So I was pretty stoked because I was watching Litecoin go up, and Litecoin had dipped incredibly low. And then it's now been creeping its way back up. So I started to explore, why is Litecoin going up? I'm hearing rumors of a fork, and I've never participated in a fork, and I don't really understand them. We tried actually when we first got in. Bitcoin was having SegWit or something along these lines, and it was supposed to fork, and then it didn't happen. And so, regardless, I've never been part of a fork. So I thought, because I have about 30 Litecoin, I thought, cool, it's going to go up, or I'm going to get this fork. And my Litecoin, I have a lot of it in different locations. I have it on, you're not supposed to keep coins on exchanges, but I probably have like 1 or 2 Litecoin on a couple different exchanges. I kind of use Litecoin just because it's the cheapest one to buy into a coin. So if I want to make a purchase on one of these exchanges, and you're not supposed to keep your coins on exchanges, but I don't mind keeping a small amount on a few different ones because I figure if it crashes, or if I lose it, I lose it. But anyway, I have my Litecoin there, and just one on a couple exchanges. I've said that, but anyway, then I just go onto my Coinbase account, and if I use that Litecoin to buy a coin that's doing something interesting, then I just go on my Coinbase account and I buy a Litecoin, so that I'm kind of using it at the cost of $1. If that makes sense, because you got to be careful when you're buying coins. If you have a bunch of Bitcoin and you're buying your coin, something new with it, you're basing it on the price of Bitcoin from where you bought in. So you have to really kind of think things through. If you're comparing your coins to dollar value, then you need to be buying it with dollars. And right now, the only way to do that is to use your crypto and then replace your crypto with dollars, so that you're kind of buying it to keep your brain sane. There's too many numbers. Anyway, so that's what I do. So I had a couple of Litecoin on some exchanges, and then I have some in a Litecoin or in a Coinbase vault, and then a few on my ledger. So anyway, I thought, cool, I'm gonna get this fork, and I didn't bother to do any reading in advance. Did my reading this morning. And, well, I didn't get any coins. I missed the fork. So what you need to do for a fork is you need to have your coins in a Litecoin wallet on your computer. So you can download a hard desktop wallet or a Jax wallet. I actually have a Jax wallet I used for an ICO. So you go to your Litecoin Core wallet, and you just always be careful when you're downloading a wallet, because there's a lot of scammers out there. So go to the main Litecoin website and find their wallet and download that. You put that on your desktop, and you can load your coins in there. So the interesting thing about this, so you deposit all your Litecoin into that wallet, and I would do it just before the fork. And so the fork, I did some research. I think it happened at 2 o'clock in the morning at block 137111 on the Litecoin blockchain. The more I think about that, it could have been the Bitcoin blockchain. But regardless of the details, so you get a Litecoin wallet, you download it on your computer, and then put your coins in it. And then right after the fork happens, so what happens is the company that's doing the fork, they go in and they take a snapshot of the blockchain, which is a documentation of everybody and every Litecoin and who owns it. So they take a picture of it, and they can't obviously take a picture of every single wallet and every single Ledger Nano because they don't have access to your private keys. So they couldn't see it anyway, but they go in, they take a snapshot, and then they will distribute like the new forked coin to people's addresses that were snapshotted during that time frame. So that's, for one, probably the main reason that we saw an increase in Litecoin's value. So one of the guys we listened to at coinmastery.com, he said, well, you might want to take some profit here because Litecoin is probably going to go back down a little bit after this fork because people bought a bunch of coins anticipating this fork. So you got 10 Litecoin Cash coins for every one Litecoin that you had. So I was stoked. I was like, I get 300 Litecoin Cashes, whether or not they ever become worth anything. I think currently they're worth about $1.30. So it was free money. But I missed it. So what the thing that you also need to remember, though, and this is suggested to you on their website, and is responsible forking. So when they take a snapshot of your wallet and the coins that you have in it, they have also taken a picture, because they were able to access your wallet, of your private keys. So what you need to do, like this happened at 0200, I think. So you need to then make sure that the fork has happened, and then shortly thereafter, open up a new Litecoin wallet, or take your original Litecoins out of that wallet. Don't close it or delete it or anything, but take your coins out of that wallet and put them back on your ledger or wherever you feel safe. I do Coinbase Vault because I don't have a huge amount. I have a ledger too, but so you need to take your coins out of that wallet and put them into a different wallet. The reason being, there could be a hacker, if someone wanted to, could potentially, that would be a time for them to get in, and they could take all your Litecoins. So don't leave them in that wallet, because now it has had a snapshot taken of it. And then over the next couple weeks or months, or I don't know exactly what their distribution is, but you should be able to check back into that wallet that you created, and you should have the Litecoin Cash added to your wallet. And then you're good. So anyway, that's where we stand. That's how I missed out. I think, so there's two other things we'll talk about really quick. A soft fork and a hard fork. So a hard fork is what just happened. That's when you get new coins. And a hard fork, Litecoin is saying, hey, we have nothing to do with this fork. Somebody else is creating Litecoin Cash, basically ripping off our name. And so they're basing their coins on Litecoin. And I am speaking skeptically here because I told you that I don't really know what the hell I'm talking about. But anyway, the hard fork is you can't go back on the Litecoin blockchain to find it from Litecoin Cash. You cannot look backwards into when you originally purchased Litecoin, because it's a completely new coin, and so you can't look backwards. Hard forks are when a new coin needs to be created. So they're using some of the technology of a particular coin, but usually it's a little bit almost like a hostile takeover or something like that. They're trying to create something new and better, and hopefully bring people from Litecoin over to Litecoin Cash. but it's usually based on some of the same principles. Litecoin Cash says they love Litecoin, but they think they can do it better. They're claiming they're going to go from 10-minute confirmations to 2.5 minutes, and that it's going to cost significantly less per transaction. So Litecoin could say, the original Litecoin could say, hey, we can do these upgrades too. Generally, they move at a slower pace because these companies don't like to do forks all the time. But Bitcoin has had a few of them, and Litecoin probably has as well. But those are called soft forks. Soft forks are backwards compatible, meaning it's a change within the company of Litecoin. It's a protocol change that they made to their kind of main software, and it's still one of the same coins. They just added some different technology that's going to allow it to process cheaper, faster. So it's not that you're set in stone once you've created a coin. Hope I didn't confuse you more. This kind of helped explain things to myself a little bit. What I still don't understand is how Litecoin Cash can essentially copy Litecoin and then improve upon it. So either it's not a very good Litecoin Cash, maybe, I don't know. I don't really understand how they can just copy a company. To me, that seems like patent laws, but there are no, there's none of that in crypto. So I guess that's what I'm still trying to wrap my head around, but I don't know if it's that important to wrap my head around. It's just the way it is in crypto. So it's good to know. Hard fork, soft fork, Litecoin Cash. I didn't get any coins because I didn't do it right. So I'll see you at lesson 12. Have a good day.